The dispenser can be installed by adhesive mount or by screw mount. The dispenser should be within arm's reach of a seated position. Ensure access to batteries, refill, and tissue dispenser lock is accounted for. To mount the freshener using adhesive, use the alcohol wipe to clean the back of the dispenser and the desired mounting location. Affix the adhesive pads to the back of the dispenser. Remove the protective paper and press the dispenser firmly to the wall for at least 30 seconds. To mount the dispenser with screws, open the cover using the provided access key. Remove the front housing by pushing in on the side latches. Using the back housing as a guide, ensure that the unit will be level and mark the 4 screw locations. Mount the back housing using appropriate screws and anchors. Reattach the front assembly. Installation is complete. The ActiveAire Automated Install Freshener Dispenser from GP Pro. That's freshness at work.